Yeah, hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Poco M5. Yeah, for that you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. There you have another yellow box inside. Just remove it like this, and if you open the box you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just flap the wings and release it like that. And yeah, otherwise you could use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Yeah, this SIM tray you're able to insert two SIM cards if you want, next to a microSD card to extend the internal storage. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. You need to place it here in the middle. So this is how it should look like then. So missing corner here on missing corner. And the contacts, they are below. Okay. And if you want, you can add also a second SIM card. The second SIM card belongs here to the first position. I don't know why, but it's like that. So also here missing corner on missing corner, same thing, and contacts, they are also below. Okay, and if you want, you can add also a micro SD card to extend the internal storage. The SD card belongs here to the last position. So insert it well. So this is how it should look like then after. And of course, you can use also just one SIM card or two, it doesn't matter, with the micro SD card. And yeah, the contacts are also below, as you can imagine. Okay, and after you put your construction back into the SIM slot, take care that nothing jumps out, close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me to don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.